afternoon, students. Today we are going to topic main topics of the chapter 1. Okay, India Constitution and historical background. Last topic of the in this chapter, Indian Constitution and historical background. Okay, yesterday we will discuss about the mainly some national movement. The Government of India Act 1935. 1935 Act, what is special about in this Act? Okay, next 1905 Act. Okay, 1905 Act. 1935 Act, what is special about military commissions and foreign education. Yesterday we will discuss about the some important of the acts and important of the national movement. Okay, today we will continue. First one mainly parliamentary system of the government. Second one unitary and federal of the Indian Constitution. Next universal adult franchise. Next one preamble of the Indian Constitution. Okay, parliamentary government. Number one, parliamentary government. In our constitution, before independence, many movements also start. For example, yesterday we will already Rowlatt Act. Next, Cripps Mission. Okay, next Home Rule Movement. Home Rule Movement, one of the main important of the movement, historical period. Next, turning point of movement, which movement? Quit India movement, 1942. Okay, this is the last movement of independence period, 1942 and continue till 1945. Okay, today we will discuss about the parliamentary system of the government. Okay, our India is also called the parliamentary government. So, parliamentary meaning here Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President. These are members mainly located of the in this system. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President of India. So, India is called the Union of States. Okay, Union of States. The states are Union of States. All states mainly depend on central or union. Okay. So about 1935 Act. The 1935 Act, main important of the was under the mention of the Union of States. Okay, parliamentary government. Example India and the Great Britain. Okay, Britain is also parliamentary system of the government. So our Indian Constitution is the one of the biggest of constitution. And next ruling colonial rule of the country, colonial system under the foreigners, under the particularly Europeans. So under the colonial rule of the system. In this country, mainly parliamentary system. Every fixed period conduct the elections, major elections. Every 5 years conduct the elections. In this period, so 1950 onwards, before 1947, under the control by the Britishers only. Before 1947, 1950, in this period, parliamentary government mainly merged. So 1950, January month, parliamentary system of government and also mainly some important of national leaders. So many national leaders involved in this parliamentary system. Okay, so India is also called the unitary and federal of the federal system and unitary system. Single citizenship. Okay, here citizenship is also single. Only one citizenship are there. Compared to other foreign countries, US, dual citizenship. Single judiciary system. Single citizenship. Okay, and next here. Written of the Constitution of India, written and adopted, written so many days times taken, written and adopted of the Constitution. parliamentary system of government. So what is the main difference between parliamentary system of the countries, presidential system of the countries? Okay, the difference mainly parliamentary system of the countries under the head of the person, president, and directly ruling the prime minister and other ministers. But presidential system of the government, so total power, authority, sovereignty power, the total sovereign system under the control by president. Okay. This time mainly in this system, two types of unification system there. Central government and central union government. Next state government. Parliamentary government is derived from the two types of central government and state government. Next unitary and federal of the Indian Constitution. Unitary means here central or states. Central and states power. All states, already you know, all states depend on central. The central depend on the state. Unitary system. Okay, unitary system. Unitary and federal of the Indian Constitution. So Indian Constitution, unitary constitution and federal constitution. Okay, but US only federal government, federal of the constitution. Okay, but India both unitary and federal. So unitary makes their central level of the central power. Like example, concurrent list, next union list, state list, some departments. Some departments under the control by the directly central power. Federal means states power. America. For example, America is called federal of the constitution. Federal government only main power under the direct ruling of the main system, federal of the government in US. But India unitary and federal both. Central government and federal means state power. And next single judiciary, only supreme type of power. Single judiciary means single judiciary, only one court of the Supreme Court. But America, every state Supreme Court are there. But India only one single judiciary. But US dual judiciary system. Every state total power is more there. Every state power. But India is totally dependent. The unitary and federal means single judiciary and single citizenship. Single citizenship and single judicial system and rule of the power under the control by the central power, union power only. So federal government, this federal is the one of the American countries. Federal means states, but India federal means state or nationality. State or national. So unitary and federal of the Constitution, Indian Constitution. So Indian Constitution, it is the one of the biggest of the task, huge population, and this Constitution is merged so many type of schedules and articles and some amendments also changes of the English Constitution. Next, universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise. This means right to vote. Okay, universal adult franchise. 1950 January 25 election day, election commission established in which year? 1950 January 25. Every month January 25 conduct the January 26 Republic Day. Before one day January 25 Voters Day. Okay, elections voters. Okay, so universal adult franchise. 19 actually first 18 years age over there. First right to vote. Another elections period. Right to vote elections period before 1952 and up to 1999. How many years minimum voting system, elections voting system? 18 years crossing of the person, 18 years. But present how many years? 21 years age. 21 years age. Okay. Changes of the election system. Mainly voting system, elections period. How to conduct the elections, the election process, or elections method. Okay. Universal adult franchise means right to vote. Conduct the elections. Free and fair elections. Free and fair elections and systematic elections. So in India mainly conduct elections mainly central or state. Central elections once for example some months of central elections, remaining some months of state elections. Recently central and state combined total conduct elections only one time. So first right to vote mainly right to vote 18 years age persons only. Okay, after crossing 18 years age of children, girls are by only one person may use the voting system, election system. Now 21 years age of persons mainly above 21 years age. Above 21 years age, the person used mainly universal adult franchise. And next to women's also. British government period also conduct the elections. In which year? 1815 year. First 1815 year conduct the elections. British government period. Only some provinces only. Only some provinces. Madras, Bombay, and Northern United Province. Some women's not the right to vote. Only tax paid persons are next to big business merchants, persons. Okay, zamindars like okay, tax paid persons. There is no use the right to vote women's. Okay, which year? First in the British government period 1815 after 1880, 1815, next to 1920. In this period of Canada elections, but some this elections total all over India, all places not conduct the elections. Only some parts. Some parts means some provinces. Some provinces only conduct the elections. Okay, remaining provinces not the right to vote elections. Okay. Universal adult franchise. First to use the right to vote. For example, world first women. Women first to use the right to vote. New Zealand. New Zealand country first to use the right to vote. Okay, Britain, New Zealand, other greatest European countries. Women's got right to vote. In which country? Total world New Zealand. Universal adult franchise. Women's also mainly one of the main persons of in society. Women's also main categories of there in society. Society women's also there. So women's applies to other daily laborers and next to every person, not only males. Okay, every person, every citizen mainly use the right to vote in these elections. 1950. Okay, first term elections. Elections is the separate method there. 1951 to 1956. How many years? 5 years. First to conduct the elections. Which year? 19 after independence. Before independence, so many times conduct the elections. But after independence, 1950 after 1950 Election Commission established. CEC, Chief Election Commissioner. CEC, it is CEC, Chief Election Commissioner also established. Chief Election Commissioner, state-wise Chief Election Commissioner, nation-wise. So this election officers also different. Like so Indian Constitution is the single citizenship, single judiciary, and next to single chief executive persons. Chief executives. Okay, chief executives of commissioner. Chief executives of person. All over India only one of the person only chief executive person. They remaining every state elections commissioner there. Every state election commissioner. But only one person, the person main component of the election commissioner. Okay, chief election commissioner. Announced by which year onwards? 1951 year onwards. 1950 Election Commission of India established. ECI, Election Commission of India established 1950. General elections mainly start 1951 to 56. Okay, general elections mainly 1951 to up to 2016 onwards also the general type of elections. Okay, universal franchise mainly voting system is the main important of in this system, voting system, okay, voting system and ballot boxes, okay, papers and political parties. The political parties also choose this type of this type of categories, main selected political parties and political viewers, okay, the political thinkers also. Next one. Okay, preamble of the Indian Constitution. Preamble of the Indian Constitution. Mine is a socialist, secular, democratic republic of the country. So mainly, okay, you know are the branches total mainly elections and mainly historical of elections. Okay, historical of the elections and political parties views. The political parties manifesto total depend on the elections and election commissioners, election executive members, okay, next to political party members, political parties manifesto, political parties rules and regulations and age and constituencies of area, okay, these are total under the 5 years period. This is total 5 years times taken, 5 years time, okay. Here mainly every 5 years connect the elections in our India compared to other countries. For example, US or United States, every 4 years connect the elections. Next, preamble of the Indian Constitution. So, preamble of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution mainly the preamble mainly which year 1942 conduct the elections mainly constituency elections. Constituencies elections. 1942 some members appointed and mainly conduct the one particular area, one particular place. It's called mainly constituency elections. Preamble. What is the meaning of preamble? Preamble means rules and regulations. How to mainly follow the rules. And next peoples how to participate. Ela voting salinchale peoples. Tarata how to mainly selected members. Okay, total written of the constitution, okay, written of the large part of the constitution, okay, written of the constitution and pre-plan. How to planning is the main point of the every constituency of area. So preamble of the Indian constitutions means prepare of the Indian constituency. Okay, here this is the main important parts of the historical period of the constitution. First one, parliamentary government example of India. Second one, unitary and federal of the Indian constitution, unitary system, federal system. Both are same systems are there, unitary and federal. Okay, universal adult franchise, about 21 years age of persons may use the right to vote in society. Not only gender bias, not only prevents one type of category. All are equal before the law. It is called a single judicial system. Supremacy power. Single judiciary system. Okay. Universal adult franchise. Next, preamble of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution be the people of India. We are sovereign, secular, socialist, democratic republic of country. Sovereign power. Sovereign means already you know. Sovereign means the power. For example, the political leaders' power. Sovereign power. The sovereignty is not only every democratic country. Monarch countries are so sovereign power that the king only rule of the power. The king announcer of the state. King announcer of the system. Okay, king or queen, one state of area. King or queen announcer of the system is called sovereign power, sovereignty. Okay, nationality, sovereignty. So, preamble of the Indian Constitution is the one of the biggest of concern. Canada, other European countries also mainly emerged of this constitution. For example, human rights and fundamental rights. Okay, citizenship. Canada Constitution mainly mention of the citizenship. Citizenship means one person born in which country, the person belongs to which country citizenship. Okay, and under the up to 6 years, mainly living in which country, live in which area, which country. This is citizenship. Our India only single citizenship there. That is called Indian citizenship. America totally dual type of citizenship there. Washington citizenship, California and San Francisco and Alaska, different states. So it is called United States. So India is called Union of States. United States of America. So Indian Constitution decided Union of States. Union of States, United of the States. So Union of States and Federal of the government. Union and Federal system of the government. So in the total both are categories there. Union categories and Federal system of the government there. But in US only federal government only system there. Federal only mainly main for the only system, federal system in US. Okay. So preamble of the Indian Constitution. This is one of the main part of the Indian Constitution. Okay. Next conclusion. Okay. Next topic what is meant by conclusion. Conclusion about what? Okay. The conclusion about mainly in the chapter we shall study about the Constitution historical background and some important of the national movement. The national movement, how to changes of the critically local developments. Okay, movements. This movement, how to changes. Okay, main important of the movements and next to historical movements and next to preamble of the Constitution. What is meant by Constitution? Constitution means government, formation of the government, how to formation of the government and public opinions, people, rules and regulations. Okay, public opinions and people's rules of the rules and regulation under the covered by the conclusion. So this conclusion about India is a unitary and federal government and next parliamentary system of the government and in this system, okay, in this system some term elections also conducted, term elections, periodical elections. Okay, the elections mainly appointed one person, personally mainly formation of the government. The formation of the government, how to formation of the government, mainly rules and regulations and the supporting power and total rules and constitution power under the control by the parliamentary system and some ministers next to other ministers total under the control by the parliamentary level. Okay, so the conclusion about Indian Constitution is the parliamentary system of the government and the unitary and federal system of the government and next it is the single and judiciary and next only one election commissioner only appointed. The election commissioner is only a single person and every state also election commissioner appointed who is mainly president of India. 1950 under the election commission of India established. So this conclusion about in this chapter. Okay, next tomorrow discuss another matter, fundamental rights and citizenship.